All right, now we're going to look at using base 10 blocks for division, and we're also going to be notating with a more traditional notation system called explicit trade while we're doing the base 10 division. So again, you're on the Math Learning Center app called Number Pieces, and you are on the one when you first log in with the yellow base 10 blocks, but if you'll click down here, and we will change those colors just for organization. And we're going to start with the number sentence 36 divided by 3. And actually, we're not going to finish the number sentence. We're just going to start with this problem. We won't be able to finish it until we have an answer. All right, I'm going to zoom out. All right, now I have a little bit more space, and I want to represent 36. So I have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. And we have 36 divided by 3. I'm going to zoom out so I have lots of workspace again. And last time we separated, we drew out 3 groups down here. So I'm going to do that as well. All right, there's one group to the left, one group in the middle, and then one group on the right-hand side. And I also want to, let's see, I think we'll change the color here for this. We're also going to look at this explicit trade notation here. And so to do that, we're going to draw out a little box for organizing. So when you're doing division with explicit trade, we're going to have a section for each place value of the dividend. So the dividend in this case, that's the number we're dividing, is 36. So I have 2 place values represented. I have the tens, and I have 3 in the tens, which represents 30, and I have the 6, and I have a 6 in the ones place, which represents 6. So we have 36, and we're dividing that into 3 groups, okay? I'm going to bring this down just a little bit because I know I'm going to have some more things in here in a minute. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to look at our base 10 blocks, and can we split up our tens into 3 equal groups? Well, let's try that. Okay. So I was able to do that, and are there any tens left? No. Okay, so let's go ahead and notate that with this new strategy here. So we started with 30, or 3 tens. We broke the group of 3 tens into 3 equal groups, and each group has 1 10. Okay. 1 10 in 3 groups, or 3 groups of 10, is 10, 20, 30. And when I subtract 30 minus 30, I get 0. And let's look over here where we started. Are there any tens left? No, there's 0 tens left. So 0 tens left. Okay, now let's look here. We have 6 ones. Let's go back to our model. I see 6 ones there as well. So let's go ahead and see if we can split these 6 ones up into 3 groups. If we can get 3 equal groups with nothing left over, or if we have leftovers, we'll have to write that as a remainder. Okay, but in this case, we had 6 ones. We split them up into 3 equal groups, and how many ones are in each group? Yes, there are 2 ones in each group. 3 groups of 2 ones are 2, 4, 6, and so we can subtract 6 minus 6, and we get 0. Are there any ones left here? There are 0 ones left here. So 6 minus 6 equals 0. So the answer to our problem, 36 divided by 3, is 12. 12 is our quotient in this case.